Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to unbox a very interesting gear by DJI. So recently I have been using different products of DJI to improve my video quality. The first product I'm using is the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. That is a gimbal. So this mobile gimbal is very helpful to stabilize your video and enhance the video quality. It comes with a lot of features as well. So the second gear I'm using to improve my audio quality is the DJI mic. So these mics are awesome and it improves your video quality a lot. So I'm also using this mic, so it is here right now. So this mic has helped improving my audio quality a lot. So now recently DJI has announced and launched its new product called the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So it has been recently launched at just a couple of days, I think 1 or 2 days since the launch date. So I thought that this gear is going to be an amazing addition in my gear list to help me with the vlogging. And this is something that is a one-stop solution for vloggers. So if you are into vlogging and looking forward for a gear that will solve all your problems, then DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the one-stop solution, I would say. So we will discuss the details about this product and we are going to unbox this today. So I'm not a technical reviewer, but I'm just excited about this product and I have been following it so deeply. So I thought to make a video and discuss about its features in this video. So let's unbox this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So let's begin unboxing this amazing product of DJI. So whenever you buy something new, this sound is your favorite sound that you want to listen every time when you buy a new technical product. So here we have the box of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let's open and see what we have inside the box. So this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 comes in two variants. One is the simple normal variant in which you only find this device, and the second variant is the creator combo, in which in addition to this device you find some of the other gears that are very important for its use, like you will find a mic, a tripod stand, and an additional battery with it. So we will see what we have inside the box now. So here you can see that we have this pouch to carry all the things. Then we have some notes. So here is the case, carrying case, in which you can safely save your device, and then you can carry it anywhere, wherever you want. In addition to the case, you also have two additional lenses inside this case, if you could see. Yes, so one is the wide angle lens and the other one is the black mist lens that you can use with your DJI Osmo 3. So this is an additional USB 3 connector which is used to connect this device with a tripod, as well as with a USB Type-C data cable to transfer your data into your computer or mobile device. Then we have this additional battery that comes with the creator combo to add to the total battery time of the device. So if you have this additional battery, you don't need to worry about the battery, and both this battery and the device charges in 40 minutes to 100%, and this comes with a very fast charging, so this will help you a lot. Also it will provide you an additional grip for the device as well. So here comes the tripod stand, which you can use to attach with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and you can place it anywhere to record your videos. Then we have this latest transmitter of DJI Osmo Mic 2, which is the latest edition of their mic. So you have this magnet at the back side. It automatically connects with the Osmo Pocket 3, and you don't need to worry about your audio quality now if you have this. Again, this mic also comes only in the creator combo and not in the normal variant. Here you have the windshield for the mic, as well as this carrier to connect with your device. This is the Type-C data cable that you can use to charge the device as well as to transfer the data into your computer or mobile. Finally, here comes our DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the most awaited thing in the box. So we will just unwrap this and I'll turn it on and show you how it looks. So here you can see we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, a very interesting device for vloggers. So you can see that it can capture the video both in horizontal and vertical modes, and also you can tilt the screen. So now the screen is a bigger screen, unlike DJI Osmo Pocket 2, which had a very small screen which could not be used, but this screen is quite usable, and you can use this screen to make videos up to 4K 120 fps. So if you rotate this screen like this, it automatically turns off. You can also change the settings, capturing vertical videos as well. So here are all the things that you get in the box of DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo. The first one is the pouch to carry all of this stuff while you are traveling. The second thing is this microphone, that is DJI Mic 2, which is their latest product, and it offers you 32-bit voice recording. That is the highest quality you can get using the wireless mics. And here we have the product, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So you can rotate the screen like this to capture the horizontal video, and you can also capture the vertical videos using this device. So this is a very high quality camera, and you can capture up to 4K 60 fps in horizontal mode and up to 120 fps in 4K for the slow motion recording. So it automatically turns off, and it is a very handy device. You can carry it anywhere for vlogging. And here comes the case, an additional protective case that you can use to carry this product to save your camera lens and everything from damage. And inside that you can find a wide angle lens as well as a black mist lens that you can use to create pro looking videos with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Here is the cable, Type-C cable for the transfer of data and charging. Here you have this connector, and you have this protective gear for your mic. So it is a windshield. If you are shooting in a windy situation, you can use this. And here is the tripod that you can connect with this device. And here comes this little connector that you can use to connect the Type-C charger and data cable, as well as to connect this tripod with the device. And here comes the extra battery that you can carry to forget worrying about the battery life of the product. So this was all about the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm very happy to get this product, and we will start using this for making vlogs in future. So stay tuned and do subscribe to our channel. With that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.